Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Warren, co-founder and CEO of Microsoft AI. Today I want to show you our latest attempt. It's kind of like a side project for me personally, and it's called DeepGraph. It's an AI knowledge graph generator that allows users can basically upload PDF or long form report and extract knowledge graph from it. So it's pretty cool. Let's get started. So first of all, you can go to DeepGraph-ai.vsl.app and you can access to this like application for free, but you do have to provide your Gemini API key to access the application. And so first of all, I'm going to upload the report, so we can choose just random like technical report, like for example this one here. I can just choose the one I downloaded from ChatGPT research, and I can start generating a graph for me. It's pretty cool. It's just like it basically gives you outline and architecture and interrelation among different concepts for this report. A very clear and simple manner. So let's generate it. Here we go. So now we can see here's all kinds of concepts that is available within the report. Like we have DevOps, and we also have like related to DevOps tools and continuous delivery. So we also can click in and it will just basically give you a summarization to this node, to this concept. And also you can have a chatbot here. So what the DevOps automation about? It will basically help you to have like an assistant to guide you through this question and also how you learn this report much faster than just reading. For example, if you want to read this report one at a time, it's pretty time consuming. You could just like spend hours, even at least a couple minutes to read all this report from ChatGPT, but it's now already generated for you using a knowledge graph AI. So it's pretty cool to see that. And if you are having any feedback or idea or suggestion on this, feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time.